And that's why what you are doing, raising money for the Benjamin Goldberg Foundation, is so very important. You are making a huge difference. You are changing lives for the better. You are giving back to families their normal. You are helping more than you could ever know. Thank you for everything you do.
It's inspiring to see so many familiar faces and so many new friends here gathered tonight to support a cause that holds meaning for all of us.
Thank you everyone for being here tonight. It means everything for kids like me.